Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, last time you remember we have started chapter number 5, that is keyboard and its functions, and we have covered till page number 42, and the last topic was spacebar key. Now we will discuss the next page. Please open your computer book and open page number 43. And on page number 43 you can see the first topic, that is caps lock key. We will learn what is caps lock key, how you will use it. So let's start. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capitals. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. I am typing here the name. So all are in capital. To make it small, you will press the caps lock key again and again start typing. Now all the words will be in small letters. Now students, on page 43 you can see the activity 4. Here we will learn how to type using caps lock key in capital letters. Let us discuss. So first of all, you will turn on the caps lock key and then you will start typing. I am typing here, I like my school. So in this way you can type in capital letters, right? Then comes enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line of the monitor. As you can see, a keyboard has 2 enter keys. Now students, on page 43 again there is activity 5 and it is related to enter key. How you can use enter key we will learn in activity 5. Let's discuss. So you will first turn on the caps lock key and type something. I am typing here, I am in class 2. Right? I have typed first line, I will press enter and my cursor will move to next line. You can see here, right? Next is arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. You can see. Down arrow key, I will press it, is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left. Then right arrow key is used to move the cursor right. Backspace. The backspace key erases the letters typed on the left side of the cursor, as you can see here. Delete key. The delete key erases the letters on the right side of the cursor. Now students, we will learn how to use backspace key with the help of activity 6 on page 44. For this you have to turn on the caps lock key. As you can see in activity 6, the example is given in capital letters. You have to write I live in Delhi. Let us learn how we will do this activity. So turn on the caps lock key, then type I live in, I-N-N, in Delhi. Then you can see the spellings are wrong. The cursor is after Delhi. Then you will move the cursor, left arrow key, and you will reach to in word and delete one word using backspace. In this way you can use the backspace key. Students, there is the last activity, that is activity 7 on page 44, and this activity is related to delete key, and delete key raises the letters to the right side of cursor. So let us learn how you will do this activity to understand the concept of delete key. So in activity 7 you can see I like to eat mangoes. So let us write this. Turn on the caps lock key first, then start typing in capital letters I, L-I-K-E, like to eat mangoes, MANGGOES. So you can see mango spellings are wrong. Then you will move the cursor, you will bring the cursor to the G word in mangoes, and then you will use delete key to delete it. In this way you can delete. So my dear students, I hope you understood the complete chapter keyboard and its functions. You have to take reading of all the topics, how to use different keys, how many keys are there in alphabet keys, number keys, and how to do the activities. You have to do the activities by yourself, then you will understand each and every concept related to the keys. Thank you so much students. Have a nice day.